What does a dancer eat? Oh my god, I haven't been here for a while. Welcome back to Sunday Healthy Snacks. I'm not on camera because I'm not ready yet. Still early for me in the morning, but I have my famous blueberry biscuit bread in the toaster oven, and I just cut up some pineapple. This is not my breakfast, it's gonna be my lunch actually. For breakfast, I had a tiny bowl of lemon garlic pasta salad, and I'll make that for you someday. But today, the snack is pineapple. These are the ingredients that I used: cinnamon, ground cinnamon, tahini, the classic hoe, chamoy, also by tahini, and some honey. There's different brands of these, but get whatever one you like. And then I added some cilantro that I had pre-cut, and it's like a pineapple was really good. Like, is if you put some tomato and blend it, you can add some spices or chilies, but I like it just like this. So all that juice on the bottom, that could be like a sauce, and if you blend it, it'll be thicker, but it's kind of like a sweet and spicy, soury flavor, and it's really good. But I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and wait for my blueberry biscuit bread to. So because I already ate the lemon garlic pasta, or garlic lemon, however it sounds better, I don't have a video of me making any of these things. I just forgot, I'm sorry. But here are the ingredients for my famous bread. I do have set amounts of each thing, but I also really think that you can use whatever you want. You don't have to use these exact ingredients. So what I do for my bread changes based on who I'm making it for and whatever. But I'm just making it for myself today. So I have flour, olive oil, salt, cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg, and almond flour. But this is what it looks like in the oven. I put a ton of blueberries. It's so delicious. Oh, that's really dirty. But yeah, those are the only ingredients for that. It is on the highest setting. I don't remember how long this goes. It was like 20-25 minutes, and then I turn it around and I put it in again, and it cooks after 2 minutes. Okay, I showered. My mother's on vacation. She's borrowing all of my hair stuff, so this is what it is. Okay, my blueberry bread, this is what it looks like now that it's cooled down. It's so good. It's got that sort of crunchy top, but it's not burnt. It's actually really soft. And tons of blueberries. How about the taste? So I use different ingredients in this bread. The bread that I sell it online. Not really online, but you can get one from me if you're in the area. I'm not giving you the ingredients that are in the ones that I sell, but it's quite different from what I just showed you. That was just how to make it, how to make a simple blueberry bread. It was so good. What do dancers eat? This bread is vegan, sugar-free. There's no sugar in it. There's salt. The only sugar is from the fruit, and then it does have regular flour, but it also has almond flour. It's really healthy, actually. I don't know how to get this camera to look so that I'm looking at it. I think I have it on this setting for my acting reels, and I forgot. Okay, we'll put concealer there. So my pineapple salsa is ready. I'm gonna get myself a plate, but I want to taste it. It's both cold and spicy at the same time. It's not too spicy. Chamoy isn't that spicy, depending on how much you use, and you can adjust that, obviously. But someday I'll make a salsa out of that. I'll show you everything I put in my salsa. Thanks for joining me for Sunday Healthy Snacks. I'll see you next time.